Hello, I'm Shaun Ryan. I'm here at the YouGarden Nursery in their fantastic houseplant greenhouse. Now, if you're looking for plants for maybe a bedroom, a hallway, a living room, I've got some stunning plants, but all of these will tolerate fairly low lights. If those rooms aren't too bright, it really doesn't matter. Now, I'm going to start off with this stunning Dracaena. And this is a twin-stem Dracaena. You've got two lovely plants in the one pot. It's called the Dracaena marginata because the leaves have got these absolutely gorgeous, almost like a reddy purple edge to them. Such an easy plant to grow. All you need to do, as the bottom leaves age, they'll go yellow, then brown, just take those off, and then it will produce these lovely tall stems. Can grow to about 2 meters, so almost like a mini tree. Now, this one is a Sansevieria, although many people call it mother-in-law's tongue or snake plant because it looks a bit like a snake. Great for bedrooms because this one actually releases oxygen at night, and it is beautiful, really is. Now, if you're not very good with houseplants, this one, the Epipremnum, is virtually impossible not to keep alive. Some people call it devil's ivy because it really is very difficult to get rid of. Lovely plant in its natural habitat. It can climb up trees, it scrambles along jungles, but it makes a beautiful houseplant and it will survive in very low light. It is variegated, so you've got these lovely patterns. In low light, it may become a bit more solid in terms of colour, but ideal for trailing on a bookshelf, something like that, but also you can get it to climb. Now at the front here, look at this one. This reminds me of outfits in the 1950s because it's got polka dots on it. Extraordinary, and it is a Polka Dot Begonia. Again, beautiful in a bedroom, a hallway, a living room, and it does flower and produces these beautiful white flowers. But I just think it's gorgeous. I sometimes wonder why it has got markings like that. There's lots of theories. Some people believe it's to keep plant-eating animals away from it, to deter those. Other people say, oh, it's to help reflect the light and diffuse it, but it's a beautiful plant. And then finally, I have got another Dracaena for you, but this is known as Yellow Coast. And if you look at the leaves, you've got beautiful greens, but you've also got yellows as well. This one grows to about 1.20 meters. Again, it's low maintenance, will tolerate fairly low light, but makes a real statement. Imagine this in a living room, a hallway. Now, a top tip for all of these plants, just don't overwater them, don't let them sit in water. And if you can use rainwater, they would really, really appreciate it. But all of these can transform a hallway, a living room, a bedroom, and really any room in your home. If you'd like any of these beautiful plants, all you need to do is shop YouGarden at My Garden Escape on QVCUK.com.